Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is something that we start from almost 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard. It continues because it's a very important theorem. What does the theorem say? The square of the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the side opposite this right angle. Right angle is this right angle. B is the angle, right angle, and opposite this is AC. So the square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. The sum of the squares of the other two sides. AB square and BC square. The sum of these two. So AB square plus BC square. So this is the theorem. And let us write it down here. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now let's take an example. If what is AC square? If AB square is 3 square and BC square is 4 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So this is equal to 25. So AC square is equal to 25. AC is equal to 5 because 5 5s are 25. Normally people make this mistake that if AC square is equal to 16, the mistake is that they say AC is equal to 8. It is not half of 16. It is the root of 16. That means something multiplied by something, the same thing, is equal to 16. So 4 4s are 16. So this is wrong and you get 4 as the answer. So don't make this mistake. It is not half of 16. It is root of 16. Right? 4 is the root of 16. Okay, let's see a sum here. In the triangle ABC, the right angle at C. Let's draw this. In a triangle ABC, the right angle is at C. It's not necessary that every time you have B as a right angle. So C as the right angle. Now, what do we do is, now BC is equal to 5. So what is given? The right angle at C and the hypotenuse is 5. So this is the hypotenuse. This is opposite the right angle. So this is 5. AB is 5. So we can write down AB is equal to 5. BC is given. BC is equal to 4. And we have to find AC. AC we have to find. According to the Pythagoras theorem, it is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Because AB is the hypotenuse in this triangle. Okay, so AB square is 5 square. 5 square. AC square we don't know. We have to find this out. Plus BC square. BC square is 4 square. Okay, so this is 25 is equal to AC square plus 16. So AC square is equal to 25. We will bring 16 here, so it's minus 16. Okay, so write down AC square is equal to 25 minus 16 is 9. So AC is not 4.5. It is not half of 9. It is the root of 9. You know, it is written like this. It is the root of 9, which is equal to 3. So this is the answer.